ride this though, a superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride this though, and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride this though, a superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride this though, we can ride this though, the superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a superfly.
All right, so this just came in today. It's from JCR Off-Road, and it is our new bull bar for the front bumper. I just finished unboxing it, and cool. This is how their sticker thing looks like. JCR Off-Road. Oh, this is cool. We have a lot of this already, from their tube doors and their front bumper. So this is cool, and this is how their packaging looks like. Man, look how secure this is. So we finished opening it, and we have a problem. I forgot to tell him to powder coat it. So we are actually on our way to a powder coating place, because there it is at the back. Not sure if you guys can see it.
Right. Oh, no. Right there. Yep.
Yeah, so we found this place. They said they'll do it for around 60 bucks to powder coat. So let's give them a try. This will be our first time too. So
I know.
We'll find out if they're good or what. But okay, but we're on our way. So we're here in front of the powder coating place. And it's going to be
like that.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's now lower. Okay.
So you can see the Bronco more.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get this powder coated.
Okay, let's go.
So Newport MESA powder coating did an excellent job. Let's see if we could put this here in the light. Look at this. Wow. So we went from bare metal to a nice black powder coating. We're using a number 5
Allen wrench.
Allen wrench to remove this screw.
Okay, we remove that. And then what's our next step?
Now we got to remove the screws.
The screws on this.
Thank God we didn't put all the screws in
I
here.
know.
So it'll be easier. Yeah. Trying to unbolt this or unscrew it. So we just finished removing all the screws. It was kind of actually just a little bit difficult because of the way we had to do it.
Yeah.
It's really hard to get your hands in. So we're now just gonna pull it out and place it in the ground. We're here at HAKATA IKKOUSHA, and we got ourselves the black sesame ramen. Look at this place, so cool. All right, let's do this. Finished picking up our bull bar, and from here at the Newport MESA powder coating, man, they did an amazing job. Cool. And it only cost 60 bucks just to paint it or powder coat it.